So, you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel? Before you hit upload, let me save you from 6 mistakes that can crash your channel before it even starts. I have been there, learning the hard way. But now, I am sharing what I wish someone told me earlier. Look, I am not some YouTube guru with millions of views. I am still building, but I have learned some key lessons. And whether you are a filmmaker, content creator, or someone just starting with your phone, these 6 mistakes are the ones you must avoid. Mistake 1. Starting for the money. If your first thought is, how can I make money on YouTube? Stop right there. YouTube is a long game. If you are not passionate about creating, you will burn out fast. Build something you love, and the money might follow later. But if you start with money in mind, you will probably quit before it shows up. Mistake 2. Expecting your first videos to go viral. I get it. We all hope that first or second video blows up. But most of the time, it won't. And that's okay. You are just getting started. Don't judge your journey by your first 10 uploads. Use them to learn, improve, and grow. Viral comes after consistency.
All you need to do, this applies to people who have not uploaded videos but have dreams of being a YouTuber, is make 100 videos and improve something every time. Do that. And then on your 101st video, we'll start talking, like maybe you can get some views, but you know, your first 100 are gonna suck. There are very freak cases like Liza Koshy or Emma Chamberlain who have really good personalities and it doesn't take them as many videos. And it's just like people who are 7'5" and making the NBA. Like, yes, there are freak cases you can find, but for the average person like us, you know, who don't have these exceptional personalities and, you know, backgrounds in filmmaking, just make 100 videos, improve something each time, and then talk to me on your 101st video.
Mistake 3. Waiting for the perfect gear. You don't need a fancy camera to get started. I know people shooting viral videos on their phones. The gear you have right now is enough. What matters more? Light, sound, your message.
So people who say, oh, well, I could be Mr. Beast if I had money. Well, A, I didn't start off with money. I was poor. I had no money. And it took me like 7 years just to buy a camera, saving up from YouTube. And B, some of our most few videos, literally, like anyone could do.
Mistake 4. Being inconsistent. Posting one video this week, disappearing for a month, then posting again, it doesn't work. You don't need to post daily, but you do need to show up regularly. Choose a schedule weekly by weekly and commit to it. That's how trust and audience grow. Mistake 5. Weak thumbnails and boring titles. You could have the best video in the world, but if your thumbnail and the title don't grab attention, no one will click. Take your time here. It's the billboard to your video. Make it clear, bold, and intriguing. Mistake 6. Letting people's opinions stop you. This one is a person. When you are starting small, people might doubt you. They will ask, why are you even doing this? Or say, nobody's watching. Ignore that. Even big creator once had 0 views. Keep showing up even when no one is clapping. So to recap, don't start for money. Don't wait for gear. Stay consistent, make score-stopping thumbnails, and block out the noise. These mistakes might seem small, but there are differences between quitting early or building something that lasts. If you are serious about YouTube, hit that like button, maybe subscribe, and let me know in the comment. Which of these mistakes have you made or seen? Let's help each other grow. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.